enjoyed it because there was a lot of hard work that went into producing this show. Apart from the adults and the children singing, we also had lots of little ones dancing, and of course it's quite a wider participation. So to bring all of them together today, it was quite a big task, and I hope you enjoyed the whole show. So I will read out the names of people who took part in it. In the songs, Oishani Dotto, Gunjari Dotto, Ipshita Das, Snigdha Odhikari, Anindita Goswami, Devopriyo Das, Kamalika Sen, Madhumita Dotto, Mazidur Rahman Likhon, Mitali Dev, Nana Mehta, Reshmi Dave, Ruby Chatterjee, Shobita Laha, Sanchari Mojumdar, Shukla Nandi, Shuma Pal. And amongst our dancers who really danced very well, it's Raya Dasgupta, Celine Bulut, Riviona Goswami, Mohar Odhikari, Trina Gupta, Shujanika Banerjee, Krishna Natarajan, Sanjana Shivkumar, Saloni Mukherjee, Sohana Mukherjee, Sharanyo Bishwas, Srishti Mukherjee, Shatarupa Chakraborty, Anushua Jais, Mahashri Shantamurthy, Shilpa Nair, Tessa Jason, Anna Jais, and Leona Chakraborty. Now on tabla, it was Himadri Lahiri who came all the way from near Fleetwood. So I have to say he really did a very good job. Please, great round of applause for him and all the other dancers and the singers. And then there's also on keyboard, it's Amit Dey. A round of applause for him, all the way from London. And of course, the narrators, Neelu Ghosh, our favorite Neelu Ghosh here, please. And Nilanjana has been working very hard and she came straight after work. So I have to she's put in a lot of effort. And this whole script was written by Shujata Dotto, who not only wrote the script but she also choreographed some of the dancers. Well done, Shujata. Okay. And of course, in choreography, it's Mitali Dev, who also taught some of the dances. And of course, tonight, I know we are all, we are very much used to Indian music and dance, but for the first time, we have a little girl, Celine. Celine, do you want to stand up? There, okay. A round of applause for Celine, because Celine actually, she is, her mother is Turkish. I would say Celine has a Turkish descent. So, to learn Rabindra Sangeet, that was a great thing. But I think all the dancers get a round of applause. So please give them a round of applause. And of course, there were lots of people behind the scenes who worked really hard, tirelessly, to make this show success. There's of course our Bharati Ghosh, Bharati Di. She's worked really hard to coordinate everything. And the sound was done by Steve, who came from at about 2 or 3 o'clock today. And he's been working very hard to set the stage with all the microphones and just to make sure that each and every participant works very well and the songs come out really well. So I hope you have enjoyed. Oh, and sorry, I have missed out Shorbori's name, but she has played a great role in teaching the little ones some of the dances. As you know, she's a veteran dancer, you all know her. And of course, you saw Shatarupa's dance, and Reshmi Dave sang with her. Shatarupa actually, she really had 2 days notice to learn the song and also to perform in front of all of you. So that's a great job done by Shatarupa. And if I have missed anyone out, please forgive me because you are all very important. everyone's important. And of course, lastly, all the audience, because without you, we couldn't have done anything. It's so important that you have spent so much time coming all the way, and of course being patient with us to listen to all these things and also to witness the songs and the dances. So a great applause to you from our side. So I think this is the end of our show, so you can relax. And sorry, Mitali was saying something. Do I need to say something? Sorry?
Lastly but not least,